Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of December 5th, 2021, Part 2. This week's theme is hockey. Z is for Zamboni, a hockey alphabet, written by Matt Napier and illustrated by Melanie Rose. A is for arena. The game is played in here, a building where the fans all gather to clap, boo, and cheer. B is for two bobbies with names of Hull and Orr. Both were skillful players who could truly skate and score. C is for the coach as well as for the captain. They are respected leaders who can really make things happen. C can be for centerman, while D is for defenseman. The first one tries to score the goals, the second one prevents them. Equipment is the word which we shall choose for E, important for the players to stay free from injury. F is for the forward who likes to skate quite fast. He loves to pass as well as shoot to score a goal at last. And G can stand for Gretzky, perhaps the greatest one of all. When he began to play the game, old records were soon to fall. H is for the Hall of Fame. To visit is a pleasure. Home of the Stanley Cup is filled with hockey treasure. For I, we have the ice, like a pond on a winter's day, where children from all over can enjoy the game they play. Jersey begins with the letter J, a team sweater all its own, a dark one worn for away games and a light one when at home. K stands for King Clancy. How much can one man do? Not only did he play and coach, he was a manager too. L is for Lord Stanley's Cup, every team's true quest. Its winners hold it high and proud and proclaim they are the best. Mario begins with the letter M. He really plays with flair. His nickname is Magnificent, and few players can compare. Now N stands for numbers, some famous ones you'll see. There's number 9 for Gordie Howe and 99 for Gretzky. O is for the original 6, the first teams in the NHL. Boston, Toronto, New York, Montreal, Detroit, and Chicago as well. Puck begins with the letter P, black rubber to the core. It's what the players try to shoot past the red goal line to score. Q is for Quebec, where everyone can say, Les Canadiens have won more cups than any others to this day. Referee for the letter R is the word that we shall choose, the person wearing black and white and enforcing all the rules. And now for letters S and T, 2 penalties we need if you slash or trip a player to the box and take its seat. U is for Team USA, who, to everyone's surprise, at Lake Placid won Olympic gold before a nation filled with pride. Vizina begins with the letter V, and it's a very special trophy, awarded each and every year to one outstanding goalie. W is for Wickenheiser and women who paved the way. Because of them, there are more girls playing hockey every day. X is for the referee's sign. If an opposing player should fall, his arms will cross and we will find an interference call. Y is for 2 glorious years for Canada's hockey teams. The Summit Series and Salt Lake Games fulfilled a country's dreams. Last we have Zamboni for Z, a machine that cleans the ice, ensuring for tomorrow's game a surface smooth and nice. The end. Okay, we're going to paint a Zamboni with Puffy paint. And we have to make our own Puffy paint. So in your Craft-A-Go kit, you will find a Zamboni, which I'm going to put aside for now. You will find a little bit of glue and a large craft stick. And what you need on your own is a bowl to mix it in, some shaving cream. This I bought at Walmart for like $1. You can also get stuff at Dollar Tree. Make sure it's the foaming kind, not the gel kind. And then some food coloring. I think this might be purple. Not sure. Either that or bright pink. But I'm going to try it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our lid and dump the glue into there. And we can use our stick to scrape the sides to help get as much glue as we can in there. What we want to do is about equal parts of glue and shaving cream. So we want as much glue as we can in there. And if you don't have a craft to go kit, you just use any kind of school glue. Excuse me, I need a drink. My throat was getting dry there. Okay, and I don't think any more is going to really come out. A few drops there. Okay, so that's that. The next thing we're going to do is add our shaving cream, and like I said, it's supposed to be about 1 to 1. So just try to cover it, and then you're going to want to mix it around real good, really well, sorry. I'm going to get glue on all the parts that are shaving cream, and you can see it's starting to get kind of shiny. That's what the glue is doing to the shaving cream here. And then we want to make it colorful. Unless you want white, you can do white, but a few drops here and there. Put like 8 drops, that might be too much. And then you stir it around really well until it's mixed in. So it's kind of like a purpley pink. But you can do as many colors as you want. If you get your own glue, do a bunch in different colors and you can make it like that, but we're just doing one color. Now this is really fun to play with your fingers, but if you don't like to touch things that are kind of gushy, make sure you get as much as you can. There. Okay. So this is pretty well mixed. You can always use the popsicle stick to spread it. But, so you can either do this, really gentle, and kind of fluff it up, or just stick your hand right in there and have at it. So I'm going to do it around the tire. Now this isn't meant to turn out looking like a big Zamboni. It's just going to be mostly fluff. But that's okay. This is supposed to be for the sensory aspect of it. And the more you put on it, the longer it takes to dry, but it's going to be puffier too. So that's entirely up to you. If you're willing to wait for it to dry and you want it fluffier, see what I'm doing? I'm kind of just sticking my fingers in it and giving it little peaks. I think this is supposed to be purple, but it's mostly Pepto-Bismol pink. A little more there. A little out here. Can't get it off my fingers. We do like to make a mess, don't we? No slime this time though, just puffy paint. A little bit up there. Definitely does not look like a Zamboni. But when it's dry, it'll be nice and puffy, and I'll take a nice picture of it. But you'll see when it's done. This is what the puffy paint looks like when it's dry. I don't know if you can really see. If we go on the edge, you can see that it's raised off the paper. So it's nice and puffy. See, it dents in, push it down, it comes back up. It's really cool to feel too. So that's all. That's what it looks like.